All right, 2.5 hours in. Gonna check on our soup. It looks done. Let's check the beans. Yeah, that looks good. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. Beautiful, healthy, and delicious. Hey everybody, welcome back. Everybody online is talking about beans, and how healthy they are. I've been making this version of a bean soup for a very long time, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm using Eden Organics beans. I love this company. Everything's organic, everything is great, and I will show you how I make my bean soup with these organic beans. Uh, you can add meat to this soup, or you can keep it vegetarian, vegan. You can go either way, and I'll show you both ways. All right, let's go make it. All right, so the first step is you're going to take these beans and you're going to soak them overnight in water. You see this? I've been soaking them all night. You just cover them and you soak them overnight, and they're going to double in size, okay? These beans have been soaked for about 12 hours. So right after you soak them for 12 hours, we're going to get rid, you see that water, the color? We're going to get rid of that dirty water, okay? Beans look beautiful. Now we're going to return these beans into the pot, and we're going to add clean water. This is very important, okay? You're going to add clean water. Just cover the beans. And we're going to bring this to a boil, okay? Just the beans in water. So the vegetables we're going to add to this soup: red onion, pepper, carrot, tomato, garlic. That's going to go in with the beans. So while I was waiting for the beans to boil, I diced up all my vegetables. The next thing you want to do is scoop all this up. See that? Scoop all that up. And just let the beans cook while you're prepping your vegetables. All my vegetables are ready to go. They're sliced up, diced up. I've been boiling these beans for about 10-15 minutes. We're going to throw this water away again. Okay, so this is the second time we throw water away. We're going to throw this away. And now we're going to start to put the soup together. Oil first. You can use any oil, okay? Oil of your choice. Coat the bottom. Here's the cheat code: Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. That's going to go in, okay? Just going to melt that butter. It already smells delicious. So all we're going to do is going to melt this butter. And now I'm going to add my vegetables. I got carrots and onions. I got tomatoes in there. I'm just going to mix all that up real good. Make sure everything gets its cooking time. I added the garlic, and at this point, if you want to add the meat, you can add the meat. It can be any, beef, pork, whatever you want. Add it to it now. Mix everything up again. You can season it, salt, pepper, as much as you like. And now we're going to go to the second very important step. At this point, I'm going to add some sweet paprika. Some people add sweet and spicy, like chili paprika. I don't. I only add sweet paprika. But if you like, you know, a little bit of a kick, you can add a little bit of spicy hot paprika mixed with the sweet. But you have to add the sweet paprika though, because that makes this soup. Trust me, you'll see what it looks like when it's all put together. Mix everything real good. All right, this looks good. Now we're going to add the beans. So the start of the show, the beans, we're going to add them in there. It looks real good. I'm going to spread it out. You're going to cover everything with water. You can use beef broth, you can use bone broth, anything you want. That should be enough. Just cover it about an inch over the, you know, whatever's in there. Give it a good mix. Make sure everything mixes together, beans and the rest of the vegetables. It looks good already. Now I'm going to add my peppers. Got my peppers in there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cover this. We're going to bring it to a boil. Alright, the soup is boiling. So we're going to lower this down to simmer. Alright, so we got this all the way down to like a simmer temperature. And this is going to go on at this temperature for about 2.5 hours. You really need to cook dry beans no less than 2.5 hours in my own experience. Then they come out all nice and creamy and delicious. So simmer 2.5 hours and then I'll show you what it looks like. Beautiful, healthy, delicious bean soup in less than 2.5 hours.